Hey guys, Nick from KN Tech, welcome back. Well, that's the office move sorted. I moved out of my old house and into my new house, and I've got a bit more room to move around, as you can see around me now. So what I did when I first moved in here was I set up a real quick workstation just so I could get some work done. And now what I'm doing today is I'm going to be setting it up a little bit more, focusing on my YouTube content. So it's going to give me a dedicated area where I can actually start working on producing some videos. Stick around guys, come along for the ride. So for those of you that watched my moving video, and if those of you that haven't, I'll stick a link for it in the top right corner, you'll remember that when I first came in I actually set my desk up over here. The problem with that was I actually had light coming in from the window over here and from the window behind me, which was shining on my screen, causing me all sorts of reflections and really annoying me. So what I've done now is I've actually moved my desk over to this side, which is between the two windows, which gives me light from either side, which is not too bad. However, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to be putting a couple more desks along this side of the wall here, moving this rack out here, this shelf, so I can move that somewhere else to get some more storage. And I'm basically going to have a desk that runs all the way along here. My main workstation is then going to be set up in front of the window, which is going to give me some natural light from the window when I'm making video calls and that kind of thing. Once again, I've got the little cameras up in the corner. I'm going to be doing some time lapse for this. I'm not quite sure whether I'm using time lapse or whether I'm going to be doing movie, but we'll see how it works out. Alright guys, cool, let's see how it goes. Well, there you have it, guys. That's how I went about putting a couple of extra desks in my new office stroke studio in my new house. So I've gone for the super clean look in terms of the cables underneath. So I've used some cable trays underneath the desks which screw into the bottom of the desk to manage all those. That way you can put your extension cables and your power bricks and that kind of thing all in there, and you can tuck the cables up, and that way it looks nice and super clean when you look at it from afar. I've also managed to screw the desks together, which means that the three of them are all actually fitted together as one unit, and that's just going to help with the stability, which means the desks aren't going to be bumping into each other if anybody's working on one and somebody else is working on the other. And it also improves the stability of all three of them. Well, I hope you liked the video, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button if you did. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification button to be notified when I put more videos up. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.